How to ban someone from your private server on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll determine if you can ban someone from your private Roblox server. So currently, Roblox does not really allow you to ban specific individuals from joining your private server, but to manage your private server, you can open your web browser and navigate to the Roblox game where you own the server. Go to your private servers first, select the private server, scroll down and click on these three dots. There you will see the option of configure. Simply tap on it. Now here you can adjust the server settings. You can allow joining, which activates or deactivates the server. So simply go ahead and toggle the switch on if you want to allow the players to join your private server. And if you don't, simply toggle the switch off. You can also choose to allow your friends or not. And you can add specific people by clicking on add option over here. And moreover, you can generate your private server link and then copy it and paste it and send it to people to let them allow to join your server. So unfortunately, there is no built-in feature to ban specific users from a public server. But you must choose between having a public server open to anyone or a private server accessible only through a shared link. So this video aims to clarify that banning specific individuals from your private Roblox server is currently impossible. So if this information was helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.